preparation for pork roast. So I have brought two leg pieces, boneless pieces too. I brought long ones because this will be good to make the slices, so that it is easy to cut, and there is a fat just on the top part, so it is easy to cut as slices. So both these joint pieces I have chosen and brought them. So now I will cut into slices, then I will show you. And what you have to do is make a paste of including salt, 1 teaspoon full salt, then Madras curry powder, 1 tablespoonful, then tandoori powder, 1 tablespoonful, then cinnamon powder, teaspoon, not full but normal, okay, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon cloves powder, then required vinegar to make it as a paste. And vinegar we will add in the grinding for 1 onion big, 2 garlic pods medium size, you can take big also, no problem. Then 1 big piece of ginger, and this is a turmeric, fresh turmeric, 1 big piece. If you don't have fresh turmeric, you can put turmeric powder. I have already cut the pieces, kept it a little thick, so that I will fry it instead of roasting. I will fry it on the pan, and it will become taste more better than what it is there as roasting videos. So these are nice thick pieces. I have already cut this 3 kilo. This is salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. I'll keep it for seasoning until the paste is ready. We will do the mixture now. Half a teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon cloves powder, half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Because this is 3 kg, you have to put exactly half, otherwise it will not give the taste. Then 1 teaspoon chili powder, then 1 tablespoon tandoori powder, 1 tablespoon Madras curry powder, full, and once we grind this paste, we will all mix it together, because there is vinegar in the paste. So this is 336 types, and there are 6 bottles. So you buy all the powders, cloves, black pepper, cinnamon, instead of putting it in pieces, big whole of them. it will not give the good taste for the meat. So I am using all the powders. It is available in most of the supermarkets. It is chopped and ready to be grind. One big onion, then two medium pods of garlic, then fresh turmeric, and then a big piece of ginger. I will put a quarter cup of vinegar to grind this paste on the mixie. Yeah, that much should be fine. Yeah, if you keep it, yeah, that should be fine for the paste. I have already grind the all the roots, and now I am mixing it in the powder. So it has to become like a paste without putting the water. So this I'm mixing. Now it may need some vinegar. Let's see. No, this is more than enough. Because I put a half cup of vinegar for grinding, because when I first shown on the video that it is only half quarter of the cup of vinegar, but I had to put more because the root was too much there. Okay, this much paste is enough. Don't make it too much loose. This is enough. Thick paste is good, because anyhow I have drained this completely in this draining plastic container. So I will add into this directly, and you can make after mixing it well, you can I will fry only little bit what is needed, along with some potato wedges, and then after mixing this, I will fill in 2 containers, and I will use it by a week. In a week, whatever is needed will be fried. So like this, you don't need to fry everything together. Just you fry whatever you want during the evening. I have put only 3 pieces of this meat, and some I cut the veggies at home, 2 big potatoes, and this sliced pork I have made thick slices, and it will get roasted on the frying pan. Put some oil to fry, and put on a very slow, on number 3 to boil it nicely. So it will take 45 minutes to boil on a slow fire. So after that it will be well done, and I will turn it after that after 15-20 minutes, and it will be done in 45 minutes. Yeah, it's already done. I have made it well done, but you can keep it as per your taste. This took around 45 minutes, so on slow fire. I have not changed the fire. It is well done on both the sides. So this is for two, portion for two, along with the uh, homemade fries. And this is become very tasty because it was marinated for many hours. You can still keep it in the fridge, the rest meat, and you can consume it in 1 week because there is vinegar, and I have not put any water. Even for grinding I use the vinegar, so it will nicely preserved in the fridge for 1 week, and you can daily fry 3 pieces along with some fries just by cutting the potatoes at home. Thank you. Enjoy the pork meat the roast way, and please do not forget Jesus, because without Jesus you cannot do anything. Please watch my other videos. Take care. God has already blessed you and your family. Merry Christmas 2020. Bye.